Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to deep clean my whole house. I'm also going to be doing some spring decor throughout my house, as well as I included some before and after videos just so that you can get some cleaning motivation as well as some satisfaction through all this process. But so I hope you guys stay tuned. Bye. Thanks guys. Alright, so it might look familiar to some of you guys, but I did purchase some of these hand soaps, the hand towels, as well as that relax sign from Dollar Tree, just because you guys know me, I love to thrift shop. So little decors that are like that and simple and doesn't have to break the bank or anything like that. So I will be incorporating little things like that from Dollar Tree into my home for spring decor. But so let's just go ahead and start cleaning the kids' room. Alright, so if you've seen my previous video, I'm kind of debating on doing this room somewhat like that room, just to get rid of this bunk bed and replace it with two separate beds for both of my kids, since they do share room. But the only reason why I'm kind of like hesitant about doing it is because once we separate these two beds, it's gonna get, I feel like, more crowded in here than what it already is. Just the simple fact, because Adriana does have so much toys and she has a Barbie dream house that takes up so much space, and that little corner is just like her play area, which I absolutely love, because you know, she's not like right in the middle of when Abel's playing a game and you know, things like that. And then also, now if I was to separate the bunk beds, Adriana wants on her side of the room to be white and really sparkly and pink and purple, and then Abel, he's really more like, just, he wants it like not cluttering. He doesn't want no color, like he doesn't want anything like that. I mean, he's a boy, he wants something simple and you know, not over the top like Adriana, which is really hard because they both share a room, and it's kind of struggling for me. I mean, we live in a 3-bedroom house and CJ has his own room, and then I have my, you know, teenager and then my younger daughter in the same room. So I have to like do something that's gonna make them both happy. But I don't know, give me some ideas. I mean, if you're in this situation as well where your kids share a room, how do you incorporate with both of them being happy, especially when it's one boy and one girl? So please leave it down in the comments. I need some ideas. I've been looking on Pinterest, but Pinterest is really, it's either pink or blue, you know, that type of thing. And like I said, Abel doesn't want any color. He wants it really simple, and Adriana wants it like full on blast with full of colors. But I just needed to vent on that because that is where I'm at right now, my head. But I'll be quiet now. Okay, so I didn't have to do too much in here. just because CJ is still loving his room and he has been on top of it on trying to keep it clean and organized. But so yeah, so if you guys were wondering how this bedroom used to look before, I would love to leave the video down in the description box in case you guys were wondering and you want to watch it. And but so yeah. All right, so I know it is quite a mess in here. That is because I do my DIYs here. My daughter does her homeschool in the living room as well, so that way I am closer to her when she needs my help. I also was doing some spring cleaning in here with, you know, throwing out clothing and also separating the clothing to for put in the donation box. Like, it was just a mess in here, which is fine because that's why I'm creating this video, and this is why I love making this video, because it focuses on the whole house, not just in one specific room. Now, if you're a creator like myself, you know where I'm coming from, but that's what's going on here. And you know, I'm just so happy that I got to do this video, and also that way you can see a little bit of spring decor as well. It's not too fancy like, you know, like other type of videos that you see here on YouTube. Mine is, you know, I make the best of it, and I'm really, if you want to call me a cheapskate, however you want to call it, but that's what I am. And you know what, I'm proud because I'm not breaking the bank, okay? Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but when I spring clean, especially when it feels so good outside, I just love to open my windows just to get that fresh air coming through and just that nice cool breeze coming in. And that's what I'm going to do, and just dust and clean off every single thing in here, especially my sectionals, just because, like I said, we are in here most of the time, and I just want to make sure there's no trash or anything like that, except for money, because you know that could be plant money. And I'm also going to deodorize it, because you guys know Cookie, I don't know, she's just been into our sectional. She loves getting on there, jumping around like crazy. But so yeah, so I do not know, I can't remember the price on these pillowcases, but if you are interested and you like them, I can leave the Amazon link. And no, it's not affiliated with Amazon. I purchased these pillowcases with my own money, but if you are interested, I will leave it down below in the description. Look how beautiful these tulips are, especially that price, you guys. It was $2.49 each at Walmart. I normally don't buy flowers, but I thought, why not? They're tulips. They were so cute, and it was for the spring decor as well. And I just didn't leave them the way they are. I brought them home, I repotted them. I actually combined those two into one bigger pot, and I set it on my front porch, and I am loving it. All right, so as I'm sitting here editing, I was thinking here, particularly here, how I was just feeling really motivated and inspired and happy all at the same time. It had nothing to do with, you know, materialistic, if you get what I'm saying. It had something to do with how I felt on the inside. Um, and I think it's because I love cleaning my house and overall anything, my whole house. I feel accomplished and I feel like not only one room was focused on the whole house where my whole family is here, and as well as when I open up the windows, it gives me a different feel of inspiration and that breeze just coming through and the fresh air. And my neighbor was mowing his lawn and just the smell of fresh cut grass. Like, I don't know if you understand me, but if you've never tried to spring clean your home by opening your windows, I highly recommend that you try it. You will not spring clean any other way if you do not open your windows. It just does something to you, like I said, and it is amazing and it feels good. And I don't know, it might just be me. I'm a weirdo. All right, guys, so last but not least, we are finally reached the end of the video and we are just going to clean my room. In my opinion, it doesn't look too much of a mess. It looks messy just because I have so much laundry that I need to fold and put away. And it just feels like with the laundry, it never ends. But, here we are and it needs to be done. Someone has to do it and it's going to be me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you received some type of cleaning motivation. I also hope you enjoyed the before and afters that I included in here, and as well as my mini or small spring decor. I know it wasn't a lot or fancy or anything like that, but I hope you still enjoyed. And if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because it would help so much with my channel. And I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Thanks, guys.